Hi! In front of me is VIVO S17 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by choosing one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and then accessing it in the background. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Now just click on the icon of your app at the top left corner and select Small Window from the list. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, just hold it and drag it. To change size of it, hold one of its bottom corners, pick the perfect size and let go. And to use it in full screen view, click on this icon in the middle on the other ones at the top right corner. You can also use this icon on the left to turn your window into a bubble. Then, to open it, click on the bubble. Last but not least, use this X at the top right corner to close your window completely. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!